Dear students, welcome to Basic Science class. Let's recollect the points that we have studied earlier. We studied about essential factors for the germination of seeds. Number 1, water, 2, air, and 3, favorable temperature. The non-essential factors for the germination of seeds are the sunlight, soil, and manure. When a seed germinates, water enters into the seed, the outer cover breaks, and radicle comes out, which forms the root of the plant. Then the plumule comes out and it forms the shoot or the stem. Cotyledons give food to the germinating seed. Then we studied about vegetative propagation. The vegetative parts of the plant can make next generation. It is called vegetative propagation. The plants that can make from roots, examples are sandalwood, curry plant, breadfruit, etc. From the stem, examples are hibiscus, rose, etc. From the leaf, we have examples like begonia, bryophyllum, etc. You may watch the pappus in videos. There is a conversation between the pappus and a girl. Read it aloud. Let it be our first activity. Activity number 1. Read the conversation between the pappus and the girl. Send this as a voice clip to your group. Okay, this is the first activity. You must read the paragraph or the conversation and send it as voice message to your group. Okay, why these pappus fly? Do you know the reason behind this? Pappus described about it in the conversation. Did you see? If all the seeds falls near to the mother plant, what will happen? The newly germinated plants does not have enough water, manure, and sunlight to grow. Many plants adopt many such tricks to disperse the seeds. In the case of pappus, the seed dispersed with the help of wind. Calotropis also possess pappus-like seeds. Mahogany seeds have wing-like structures to fly freely in air. The seeds which disperse through wind has certain adaptations. The seeds should be weightless. They have hairy structures around the seed that enable the seed to fly in air. The seeds of drumstick is also dispersed like this method. Like the air, water is also work as an agent for the dispersal of seeds. The most familiar example is coconut. Coconut dispersed naturally through the water. There are certain adaptations for the seeds. Which are they? The fruit should have enough air chambers so they can float on water. The seeds should have a strong outer coat so it will not decay. There are some other plants. They will not need anyone's help for their seeds to disperse. The fruits bursts and the seeds dispersed, as in balsam plant. You may see it in the autumn season. When mature, these seeds open through the sides and the force of its explosion disperse the seeds. The lady's finger or okra. Then the touch-me-not plant are all examples for this category. Then the touch-me-not plant also has these type of fruits and seeds. We can also take the example of ilavu or pannimaram. In this tree, the seeds emerged in a hairy structure. So after bursting, the seeds can fly in air. How the seeds of a fleshy fruits dispersed? The fleshy sweet fruits are eaten by the birds and animals. These organisms unknowingly help the plant for the dispersal of seeds. So what made the adaptation of these seeds? These seeds have fleshy fruits and are edible. There are certain other plants. Seeds possess certain hook-like structures. These seeds stick on other organisms and thus dispersed. Uragam or Urpamgai is an example for it. So let's conclude. In this class we study about different types of seed dispersal mechanisms. The first one is dispersal by air or wind. Examples are calotropis, mahogany, etc. The seeds should be weightless. They may possess wings or hair-like structures. Second one, dispersal by water. Example is coconut. The seeds should be buoyant or it can float on water. It should possess hard seed coat so it will not decay. Third one, dispersal by the help of animals or birds. Examples, mango, jackfruit, guava, etc. These seeds have fleshy and edible fruits. By bursting, examples, lady's finger, balsam. In this type, the fruit split into pieces and the seeds dispersed by the force of bursting. You can add more examples to this list by observing your surrounding. Let's have our second activity. Activity number 2. Complete the table in page number 55. Complete the table in page number 55 of your textbook. Okay, rest in the next class.